Hello folks, Proof Geo Honors Trig Study Guide problem number 5. So again, using the properties of the special right triangles, this time a 30, 60, 90 triangle, we want to find in simplest radical form what the value of x and y is. So remember, when you are dealing with a 30, 60, 90 triangle like this, the side opposite from the 30 is your x, the hypotenuse is your 2x, and then the third side is x root 3. And so look at what we know. On our triangle, we know that value right there, that 3, the side opposite of the 60. So let's set up an equation. Let's say that 3, that 3 right there, 3 equals x times the square root of 3. And that will let us find that value down there. So I guess if I'm doing that, I should stay consistent here, and I should write that as y, because on our triangle that is labeled as y, the side opposite of the 30-degree angle. So I have 3 equals y root 3, but I want y by itself, so I get y equals 3 divided by the square root of 3. And I want to rationalize that, so I need to multiply that by the square root of 3 over the square root of 3. There, I redrew that. It was a little bit messy. Notice I had 3 over the square root of 3 right there by dividing by square root of 3 on both sides in that equation. And I want to rationalize that, so I'm going to multiply by the square root of 3 over the square root of root 3. What does that do? Well, in the numerator, I get 3 times the square root of root 3. And in the denominator, I get root 3 times root 3, which gives me 3. And therefore, I have a 3 root 3 over 3. My 3's cancel, and I'm left with y equals the square root of 3. So y right there equals the square root of 3. Well, then what's the relationship with this side x right there? Well, we know that that is double whatever that 30-degree side is. So now that x will equal 2 times the square root of 3. And we are done. Y equals root 3. X equals 2 root 3. Donezo.